CIS Academy. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about Chile's Atacama Salt Lake Flats. Okay? So what is it basically? Chile is one of the world's largest producer of, at least it does have reserves, good reserves of lithium. Okay? But lithium ke production ke liye, what do? Is they will allow the sea water to get deposited on land. Okay? And इससे इनका salt extraction भी हो जाता है. This is how this extract the lithium also. ठीक है? So this we call as the salt pans. Now why are these things running into news is because the salt pans are sinking 1 to 2 centimeter per annum, and this is a very fast rate. 1 to 2 centimeters per annum rate this land is sinking. And why is it sinking? Is because of the lithium brine extraction. ठीक है? So let us first study about lithium, and then we will be talking about why is lithium responsible for this. Now talking about the production capacity and what it is actually producing world over. Australia is producing 86,000 metric tons. ठीक है? Chile is producing 44,000 metric tons. But talking about reserves, Argentina has 19 million metric ton, 19 million tons of reserves of lithium, whereas Chile has 9.3 million tons of lithium with itself. Although it is able to produce relatively much lesser as compared to what it actually has, okay? But still lithium is engaged in producing lithium. Argentina is engaged in producing lithium. Talking about what is lithium? Lithium is basically called as white gold because the raw form of lithium is of whitish in color. Okay? So this is called as white gold, and this is usually extracted from seawater, which has a huge percentage of lithium in it. Okay? Now talking about the application, it is also used, but apart from, we know that lithium is very much used in battery facilities, lithium ion batteries. Okay? But it is also used in treating depression. Lithium is also used in treating depression, carrying out surgeries, etc. Okay? So lithium has a wide ranging applications. For example, batteries may be, electronic goods may be, military devices may be. We make use of lithium. Okay? So lithium has a wide ranging application. But how do we extract lithium? The mining methods are three. One is called as the brine mining, which we have been talking about so far. Argentina or Chile is involved in the brine mining. Okay? So brine mining ke liye what do? Is we will allow the sea water to get deposited on land surface, and then we wait. So 66% of world's lithium is being extracted through the brine method only. Okay? So the water will be allowed to settle down on a piece of land, and we wait for 12 to 18 months. Okay? And slowly the water gets evaporated. What we get on soil is most commonly the salts of potassium. Okay? We also get lithium, we also get borax here. Okay? So these are something which we get through the brine method. But apart from this, we also carry out the hard rock mining. Hard rock mining mein we will not be making use of seawater. So from rocks directly we extract lithium. And third option that we have is direct lithium extraction. Direct lithium extraction is environmentally very sustainable but economically very costly. Talking about how is it carried out, so from the rocks directly only pure metal lithium will be extracted, and rest everything will be left behind in the rock. Okay? So on a very small scale this can be carried out, but large scale production it is not economically feasible. Okay? So these are the methods through which mining can be carried out, but there are environmental challenges. Okay? And the first major challenge of course is water. It leads to huge amount of water loss. As we stated, sea water will be allowed to deposit on sand, and we will wait for the evaporation of water. Now all of this water could have been collected because we have removed majority part of the salt. So the water could have been collected and we could have reused that water. But we are not carrying out this process. Okay? World over this is not being carried out and leads to huge amount of water loss. Second problem is the acidic contamination. So for extraction of lithium from this stage, we keep on adding sulfuric acid to landmass directly, or sodium hydroxide to the landmass directly to extract the lithium. Okay? This leads to acidic contamination of the soil in that region or hydroxide contamination also in that soil. Okay? Unfortunately, it has also led to the death of flamingos. As we are discussing this region, this is mostly about Chile's Atacama Desert. Okay? But Argentina and Chile also share this Atacama Desert, and this desert is basically very well breeding ground for flamingos. Okay? And there is a decline in population of flamingos because of the excessive heat which is being generated, because of huge amount of water loss which is taking place. There is environmental repercussion to the biodiversity which is living there. Okay? Plus, talking about one specific method of mining, that is hard rock mining. Hard rock mining means, as we discussed, from rock directly we try to extract lithium. In this, the filtration process, washing, the way we extract coal, coal is directly extracted from under the earth's surface. So similarly, hard rock mining में we will bomb dispose of bomb this area where you have good amount of lithium content in rocks, and from there washing, cleaning and chemical addition will be carried out to get the final product, that is lithium. Okay? But in this process there is huge amount of energy conservation, energy consumption which is carried out. So this is a highly energy intensive process. The hard rock mining is a highly energy intensive process. Okay? So these are some of the challenges related to lithium extraction. Okay? Now talking about the availability of lithium in India, it was observed that Jammu Kashmir and then Rajasthan, both of them back to back discovered that they have good reserves of lithium, after which it was discovered in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh region. So Jharkhand Chhattisgarh region, maybe we have observed that there is good repositories of lithium. Apart from this, it is also present in Meghalaya, Assam and Nagaland. Sorry, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. But Karnataka has also of late discovered huge reserves of lithium. So over in with time we have observed that across India also we do have good reserves of lithium, but still because of the lithium availability in South American countries, okay, we are mostly trying to negotiate with the ABC countries of South America, that stands for Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. These three are called as the lithium triangle. So India is trying to negotiate with ABC, that is the lithium triangle of South America, to own the reserves, the mines, the brines through which lithium is being extracted. Okay? India is on path, on track to buy these lithium extraction mines in ABC countries, Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. Okay? So with that we come to the end of this topic that was related to the subsidence of land in Argentina and Chile, majorly Chile, because of the lithium extraction that is taking place. Okay? Thank you so much, and if you have any doubt, please do let us know in the comment section.